Hi, this is Ben for WriterToolbox.com. Today I want to show you how WhiteSmoke works and why I've chosen it as the best writing tool in the market. As you can see, this is a short text that I typed. I use Notepad, however, WhiteSmoke works with almost every application there is, so you can use it with Word, OpenOffice, or any other text editor that you work with. In order to start WhiteSmoke software, all I need to do is select the text that I want to use and click on F2. Let's do it. WhiteSmoke application opens and the text is already copied inside. So how does it work? WhiteSmoke tracks three different types of mistakes: spelling, colored in red; grammar, colored in green; and style, colored in blue. As you can see, in this case, WhiteSmoke found 3 spelling mistakes and 7 grammar mistakes. Much more than the number of mistakes that were found, by the way. So in order to fix these errors, all I need to do is to click on the correct suggestions above the word, and that's it. WhiteSmoke replaces the wrong word or tense with the correct one. Let's go over the text. Meredith made a decision a long time ago not to write books ever again. She graduated Yale, she graduated from Yale with honors and started writing right away. She sent her manuscript to a big New York publishing house, there is a spelling mistake here, but it rejected, should have been rejected it. Marketing wasn't, instead of weren't, her strongest trait. She decided to make a change, maybe learn something completely different, such as carpentry, instead of such carpentry. In the meantime, another spelling mistake, she was wandering aimlessly. An incredible thing happened just then. Check out this error, for example. Den with an A instead of den with an E. This kind of mistake is one of the most popular mistakes that we do. Unfortunately, not too many applications are able to correct it. WhiteSmoke does a great job tracking and fixing it. Simple, efficient, easy to use, and most important, track more mistakes than any other software I've tried. So after I corrected all the spelling and grammatical mistakes, I'll do another check just to make sure everything is okay. There you go. From a poor and embarrassing text into a professional and flawless one. So after we saw how WhiteSmoke checks and corrects all your grammar and spelling mistakes, let's see what else does it do. WhiteSmoke new version 2010 Plus has many additional cool features. One of them is the writing tools menu. Whenever I right click on any word I choose, a new menu opens up with the following options: thesaurus, enrich, how to use, define, and a web search. For example, when I click on the word incredible, this menu opens up, and now I can find a variety of synonyms to choose from: unbelievable, unlikely, fabulous, great, amazing. Let's choose amazing. The second feature is the enrich. The enrich, basically what it does, it gives me the option to add adjectives or adverbs that are used with this word. So in this case, we can add most, truly, absolutely. How to use. How to use is one of the coolest features of this software. What it does is it gives me usage examples, or how this word is actually used in a sentence. As you can see here, it's amazing how market psychology works, said one top junk bond trader. Or as soon as they can talk, they come up with the most amazing questions. Define. Define, what it does, it gives me a definition of the chosen words. For example, here it gives me a definition of the verb to amaze, affect with wonder. Your ability to speak 6 languages amazes me. Or the adjective itself, surprising greatly. And the last feature of this menu is the web search. The web search, basically what it does, it Google the word that I chose and shows me everything related to the word amazing in Google. So as you can see, this new menu is truly a unique feature of WhiteSmoke. It gives a complete answer not just to the grammatical aspect of the text, but to the proper flow and rich quality as well. Okay, so after we saw how WhiteSmoke checks and corrects our text, let's see what else does it do. WhiteSmoke has a really cool feature called Writing Review. As you can see on the right side of the application, WhiteSmoke scores your text based on certain parameters. For example, here in this case, the score I got was 6, which is fair but not good enough. And as you can see, WhiteSmoke takes into consideration several parameters such as average sentence length, passive verbs, negative sentences, informal expression, complex words, sentence count, word count. But not only that, it gives me also suggestions how to improve my text. For example, in this case, I need to correct my spelling and grammar mistakes, and I should try restating some of the negative sentence as positive. So let's correct the text like we did before, based on WhiteSmoke suggestions. And we'll do the check once again. As you can see, the score was raised to 9, which is very good, and the parameters are okay now. I should still try to restating some of the negative sentences as positive, but basically the text is very good and ready to go. Okay, so another thing I want to show you today is the templates. WhiteSmoke offers more than 600 ready-to-use templates from a variety of categories. For example, we have here business templates such as business plan, how to write a business plan. We have agreements, for example, consulting agreements. We have a category of resumes, which can help us how to write proper resume. We have several formats for most of the occupations in the market. We have a variety of thank you letters. Basically all we have to do is just copy, paste, insert the relevant information at the right place, and that's it. We just save a lot of time and effort, and this is a really brilliant feature of WhiteSmoke, really helpful. The last thing I want to show you is the multilingual dictionary. WhiteSmoke is not just a writing tool, it's also a full multilingual dictionary. Let's take for example the word writing. As you can see, WhiteSmoke gives me a definition of the word writing. It also shows me some thesaurus for that word, or idioms. But that's not all. We can also translate this word into 9 different languages. The main languages: Arabic, Chinese, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Spanish, and Turkish. Let's translate the word writing into Spanish. And you can see escritura for the noun, or escribir for the verb. Basically you can translate any word into these main languages and vice versa. Okay, so this has been my full video review of WhiteSmoke software. In this review, we've gone through the main features of WhiteSmoke. Hopefully the picture is clear now. I've tried all different writing tools available in the market. WhiteSmoke is by far the most comprehensive of them all. I hope this review helps you understand better how WhiteSmoke works and helps you decide whether it's the right choice for you or not. This is Ben from WriterToolbox.com, wishing you a great day.